मुझे मिल गया जिसे ढूंढता था दिल, जो कभी कहीं दूर था वही हर पल में है शामिल। चाहता था दिल जिसे वो मेरा जहां हो गया, वो मुझे मिल गया जिसे ढूंढता था दिल। Hi friends, the singer and composer Debojit Datta, and I am coming on Valentine's Day 2021, that is 14th February, next Sunday, to perform at the Kolokakuli Moncho for the Sound of Symphony group and pay my humble and heartfelt tribute to different Bengali music directors, legendary Bengali music directors, and some of my favorite singers of our country as well. So it's really a great honor for me to perform for such a prestigious program amidst few respected dignitaries of our city and our government, and special heartfelt humble gratitude to Bonusri Ghoshaldi and the entire team of Sound of Symphony. देखा होच्छे बंधुरा, मैं आ रहा हूँ दिल बहलाने के लिए, और मैं प्यार चुराऊंगा और प्यार ढेर सारा प्यार बिछाऊंगा। थैंक यू सो मच।